Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our educational culinary clip series. Today, we're diving into the world of pizza, specifically the iconic pizza Margherita. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. First things first, we need to roll out our pizza dough. Take your dough and gently stretch it out, making sure it's not too thin or too thick. The perfect thickness for a Margherita pizza is about 1/4 inch. Next, it's time to spread the tomato sauce. Now, we're not talking about the thick, chunky sauce you might find on some pizzas. For a Margherita pizza, you want a smooth, even layer of sauce. Spread it across the dough, making sure to leave a little border around the edges. Now, let's add the star of the show, the fresh mozzarella. Slice it into thin, even pieces and arrange them evenly over the sauce. Don't overload the pizza with cheese, as it's the fresh basil leaves that will really make this pizza shine. And speaking of basil, it's time to add those luscious green leaves. Tear them into small pieces and scatter them over the cheese. Finally, pop your pizza into the oven and bake until it's golden and bubbly. Once it's done, drizzle some olive oil over the top, and voila! You've got yourself a delicious homemade pizza Margherita. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this classic pizza. The combination of the fresh mozzarella, tangy tomato sauce, and fragrant basil leaves creates a symphony of flavors that's hard to beat. So, there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to making your own pizza Margherita. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. And if you're feeling extra hungry, why not whip up a second pizza and share it with a friend? Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!